Hi, Yule at Kansas Home Guys. We're over here checking on a house we were at a couple days ago. We were doing some work down into the crawl space, trying to lift up the floor a little bit. So guys have got that finished. We're going to take a look at kind of what they did and see how it looks. So if you remember, we put these 2x6s up and then poured concrete down the middle so we can add some a little bit stronger base for these footings that we put in. There's 5 or 6 down here. You can see 2 of them there. I got looks like another one down that direction and maybe a couple down this way. So what that did is that helped raise the floor up, so we're dealing with a little bit more level flooring. And then again, that concrete was just there, so we weren't trying to raise it from pushing down into the dirt, because we just keep sinking further down in the dirt. And while we were down here, we went ahead and did a little bit of updating on the ducting for the HVAC. It was looking a little bit old, and so we just wanted to do a little update just to make it better since we were down here anyhow. So we had the HVAC guy come out yesterday and put that all together for us. So we can see that the floor has leveled out just a little bit. I can see it when I look at it. There's definitely less gap going on this right now. So hope you enjoyed watching this. It was a fun little project for us to work on and make this house just a little bit nicer for the next family.